Come test drive the 2018 Mercedes GLE. The GLE comes with the full Mercedes luxury experience. It combines the sports sedan performance with SUV stability. It comes with beautiful, serene-looking interiors and a command system that is close by to access every setting under the sun. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, moonroof, Bluetooth, power steering, cruise control, anti-theft security system, climate control, premium sound, center armrest, security system, CD player, clock, side airbag, daytime running lights, intermittent wipers, dual zone climate control, tachometer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.